How to replace a headlamp bulb in a Range Rover Evoque, which is this one here. And as you can see that one's working. So I'm going to show you how to replace that now. So to replace this bulb, you come in around the back here and there will be a cover holding it in position. You will rotate that cover anti-clockwise and there is some locating pins there for grip. Once you have that cover off, you will gain visibility to where the bulb is, and I'll show you that in a sec. Now we have that cover removed, we can see the headlamp bulb in there. And what you want to do to remove that bulb is also rotate that anti-clockwise. I'll see if I can do it on camera. Yeah, just a little twist anti-clockwise and then wiggle it a bit, and there you have the bulb removal. So the next thing to do is disconnect this electrical item here. So what you do is you lift them tabs up and you pull back. I just used a pry tool to jam underneath them. HB3, and I'm going to get one now and fit it. Okay, so we got our new HB3 bulb and we're going to connect it back up here again like that. So you push it back in position and then you twist. So that's sitting back in now. And what I'm going to do before I put the cover back on is just check to see that the light is working and then put everything back together. And as you can see, that light is now working again. So I'm going to grab the cover, a rotation, if you can see that, like that. And that is it, and that is how you replace a headlamp bulb in a Range Rover Evoque. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.